Okay, we're back. Now we're going to test what we call a piezo. This is the little device that makes the sound in your smoke alarm. 2.8 kilohertz, the easiest frequency for a human ear to hear. This is why they use it, so you can hear it in the middle of the night. And we're going to start off with 1.5 volts and work our way up the scale. It will get louder. Okay, here's 1.5. 3, 6, 9, 12, and now I've added another battery, so I'm up to 12 here. I've added another 12, 24 volts, which is what it's rated for. Alright, now I'm going to switch. I'm going to hook up 2 of them, because when they're paired, their frequency is slightly off, so you're getting an overphasing where things line up and then they add and they cancel. So there's a warbling effect created. So again, 1.5 volts, 3, 6, 9, 12, and ultimately 24. That's it. All right, and we're back with another electromagnet. This is a buzzer. Used to be used in lieu of a doorbell.